Hello Leo, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So today we are going to do a love reading where we are going to see what does your person feel about you, what does your person think about you at present. It is a general reading, so it might or might not relate with every Leo out there, but if it resonates with you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. What does Leo's person feel about them? Please tell me, what does Leo's person feels about them? What does Leo's person feel 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 about them? Okay Leo, so we have the 6 of Swords, the 9 of Swords, the 7 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles, Justice, the Devil and 3 of Cups. So you might be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn energy, earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, or with a Libra. Okay, so these are the possible signs. Let's not stick to the signs only. Okay, so I think Leo that you are the one who decided to walk away from this relationship. Okay, you are the one who decided to walk away from this relationship, and the reason why you decided to walk away from this relationship is because your partner was doing things behind your back. Okay, the person that you were dealing with, they were doing things behind your back. They were doing sneaky things behind your back, like it might be that they were dealing with some other person as well. They were cheating on you, or they were playing games, or like they were being sneaky as in that they were not telling you the complete truth. Okay, and you are the one who decided to walk away from this relationship because your partner was giving you mixed feelings. They were giving you mixed feelings. They were showing mixed emotions. Okay, you wanted clear answers. You wanted them to give you clear answers and tell you what they want and what they like, whether they want to continue this relationship or not, but they were not giving you clear answers. Okay, or it might be that they were dealing with some other person as well, like there was a third party situation, because this person is juggling between two pentacles. Okay, so they might be juggling between two energies. Okay, and they were doing these things behind your back. Okay, and the things that they were doing behind your back weren't like in your best interest. They were not in your good interest actually. Okay, so you decided to walk away from this relationship. You decided to leave this sneaky mixed feeling relationship behind, and now your person is overthinking. Okay, so it is possible that if your person was in a third party situation, if they were dealing with some other person as well, it is possible that that person also decided to leave them. Okay, that person also decided to leave them, or maybe that person betrayed them. The way they betrayed you, the way they cheated on you, I guess the person that they were dealing with also did the same towards them. Okay, so now they're overthinking. Now they are regretting. They have regrets. They are thinking about it from time to time. Okay, and they are having sleepless nights. They are having sleepless nights because of this, because we also have the devil, so they have obsessive thoughts. Okay, they have obsessive thoughts, and I think that now they are getting, like earlier when you guys were together, they just wanted a physical relationship. Okay, they only wanted a sexual relationship with you, but now that you have decided to move on, okay, now that you have decided to move on, they're realizing that you are more than that. That Leo is someone who was offering them true love, who was offering them stability, who was offering them everything that a perfect partner can give. Okay, but now it is all gone because you are gone. Okay, you're no more in their life. You're not dealing with them anymore, and this is what is causing sleepless nights. This is what is causing them sleepless nights. They are staying awake. They're thinking about all the things. They are regretting about it, that why did they do this. Okay, also another possibility that I see over here is that they were cheating on you with someone physically, like they were in a sexual relationship with someone else. They were in a physical relationship with someone else. Okay, I see this possibility as well. But this is your justice, okay? Because you were always honest towards them, you were true towards them, you had real feelings towards them, and now they're regretting it. Because what they are getting now, these sleepless nights that they are getting, this anxiety that they are getting, it is a part of their karma, okay? It is a part of their karma. Because Leo, you were always honest, okay? You were always like true towards them, you loved them, you wanted to make things work, okay? But they were the one who were doing sneaky things behind you, okay? So they were doing sneaky things behind you, and now they're regretting it. Because this is their karma. They finally realized, actually I think they know that this is their karma, okay? When you do bad towards someone, when you do bad things, like if a person is giving you all the good things, okay? If a person is being honest towards you, if a person is actually showing you true love, and yet you play behind their back, you do sneaky stuff behind their back, you cheat on them, you play games with them, karma will come and get you. Karma will definitely come and get you. And I think the reason why they're overthinking and regretting is because the person that they were cheating on you with, like the person that the third party they were dealing with, they did the same thing to them, okay? The thing that your partner did to you, that person did that to your partner. So now justice is being served, okay? When you do someone's bad, please make sure that karma is going to come and get back towards you. I think they're going to approach you. They're going to approach you for a reunion. They're going to message you. They want to make things work. Again, I see like third party situation, okay? So they are going to try to make things work. I think they're going to drop a message, okay? Just a basic simple message like, hi, how are you, Leo? Okay, but I don't think that you are interested. I don't think that you are interested in this energy or interested in this person, okay? Because you were the one who decided to walk away, and it took a lot out of you, okay? Walking away from this relationship took a lot out of you. Like, you genuinely loved this person, you considered them as your true love, as your soulmate, and yet they did these things behind your back. And of course they regret it, but they are going to approach you. They are coming towards you with an apology. They are coming towards you with communication, because they want reconciliation with you, okay? Finally they have realized that you were the only person who actually gave a damn about them, okay? Who actually cared about them, and now they are coming towards you with an apology. So let's see, what does Leo's person feel about them? What does Leo's person feel about them? What does Leo's person feel about them? Yeah, they're definitely coming towards you with an offer of a new beginning, okay? They're coming towards you with an offer of a new beginning. This is your energy. So you might be dealing with a fellow Leo, possible, okay? There's a possibility. But they're coming towards you with an apology. They're coming towards you with an apology, and they definitely want a reconciliation. They want a fresh new beginning with you, okay? But you are like trusting your intuition, okay? You are the one who's trusting your intuition, and you know that this person is always going to be sneaky. This person is always going to hide things from you. They're always going to tell you half truth, okay? Because they never they have a very imbalanced energy. Like, you don't know what is going on in their mind, okay? You don't know what they're thinking, and I think they're not really communicative as well, okay? They're not very communicative, but you do know that something is wrong. Your intuition keeps telling you, your intuition kept telling you in the past that something was wrong, yet you dealt with this person, you gave them chances, you tried to make things work, but they still have this sneaky energy. They are still going to hide things from you. They're still going to tell you half truth, okay? They wish to have you back, okay? Or it might be that it was your wish that karma should get them, okay? That karma should get them, and your wish is coming true. I think you wished that they should go through what you went through, okay? You actually wanted them to feel how you felt, and karma looked after it, okay, and karma looked after it, and they're finally realizing it, okay. But they are actually having obsessive thoughts about you. They're obsessing over this thing, and they're definitely coming towards you with an apology because they want a fresh beginning with you, because they have finally realized that there's no one like a Leo, okay. Nobody loves like a Leo. I think I always tell people whenever I'm doing readings that a person, like, no one can ever love like a Leo. Leos have huge hearts, okay. They have big hearts, and they always have so much love to give. Even if people take them for granted, they are still always open to love and always open to new experiences. But once they are done, they are done, okay. Then they don't look back, okay. So we also have the Page of Swords. Again, like, they are going to come towards you, but I don't think that they have changed, okay. I don't think they have changed, they have matured or anything. They're still going to be sneaky, they're still going to be the same. Just that I think right now, because they don't have anyone in their life, that's why they want a reconciliation with you. Or maybe they actually feel sorry about the things they did to you, but I don't think that they will change, okay. Their energy is not changing. They have a very sneaky behavior and a very sneaky energy, and that is not changing anytime soon. And also, they won't be able to give you what you want, okay. You want 10 of cups, okay, and we only have 9 of cups over here, so 1 cup is missing. So they won't be able to give you a happy home, they won't be able to give you a happy relationship, and you know it, okay. You know it, that they're not capable of it. You know that they are not capable of giving you the love that you deserve. That is why you decided to walk away. After going through so much pain, you finally took this decision, and I don't think that you're going to take them back. I don't think that you're going to trust them anymore, okay, because they are still very sneaky. They are still not disclosing complete information. They're still not, like, telling you the complete truth, okay. And you have finally reached a level where you trust your intuition more than you trust people, okay. You have reached that point in your life where you know when someone's energy is not worth your time, okay. So I think this person is coming towards you with an apology, but you won't be accepting it, okay. So that is all for Leo. I'll see you next time. Bye.